Hi my friends, welcome back to the Dennis Bayway video channel, and today we're gonna learn more magic selling words to help you turn every no into a yes before you even ask the customer to close the deal. Are you ready? Alright, let's start. So the previous lesson, we learned about the magic words imagine if, and imagine if plus word pictures, right, and a leading question to combine these three techniques to help you close the deal and make the customer say yes before you even ask them. Alright, so today we're gonna learn three more very powerful magic words. Okay, are you ready? The first one is called most people. It's based on the Jones theory. What's the Jones theory? Now, most people in America, they have the last family name called Jones. All right, most people. So it's like people, human beings, okay, are creatures of what we call community, creatures of the herd mentality. So we like to follow other people, and we like to follow most people, right? So if most people are doing something, we want to follow that. If most people are thinking this way, we want to follow that. So it's just part of our human psychology, right? It's normal, okay? So let's imagine this, okay? Imagine you're walking on a street tonight and you're planning to have dinner and you feel like having seafood. So there's a row of restaurants and then you walk past seafood restaurant number one. And number one, the restaurant is empty. There's nobody there, there's no activity, no queue, just one or two people sitting there eating quietly. And then you decide, okay, maybe not this one. Let's move on to the next restaurant. And then you walk past restaurant number two, all right, and it's full, packed, bustling, lots of noise, lots of activity. There's a long queue. People are like waiting to get in, and people are all just, talking and having a conversation about thinking about what they want to eat, and everybody looks happy. So, let's say you're not in a rush for time, okay? Would you rather eat your dinner at number one, seafood restaurant number one, which is empty, or seafood restaurant number two, which is fully packed and lots of happy people, happy customers? Which one? One or two? Alright, so it's pretty obvious, right? If it's me, I would choose restaurant number two because I'm afraid, what if I go to restaurant number one and the food's not nice, and I waste my money? Okay, so I'd rather follow most people. Alright, so here's how you apply this magic word. So imagine I'm talking to a customer, right? And let's say you're the customer and your name is Mary. So, hey Mary, so we've been having this conversation about our company and our product and service. Now listen, most people who buy our product or service, okay, they are very satisfied with the results. So don't worry, right? Trust me, you're making the right choice. Let's get you started on one today. So that's it, it's very simple, right? Okay, let's try another example here. Now, most people who join our company or join our business opportunity, they see positive results within the first month. Okay, so don't worry, trust me, let's get you started right away. Okay, all right, it's very easy. Right, example number three. Most people, Mary, most people who use our platform, all right, they enjoy it tremendously and they give us lots of positive feedback. Let me show you. See, this is our website. See all the positive feedback from our customers. This is one from Thomas, this is one from Jack, this is one from Melissa. Read it. So don't worry, right? You're making the right choice. Let's get you started right away, okay? Yeah? And then you nod and smile, okay? And maybe you shake their hands. That's it, very simple, okay? Let's have another example. So Mary, most people who experienced our product or service, they keep coming back again and again and again. So we have a lot of repeat customers. So you're not the first one, Mary. So don't worry, trust me, let's get you started right away, okay? Yeah? Okay, so very easy, yeah? Alright, let's give you another two. Most people, Mary, most people who invested in this property, let's say you're a real estate salesperson or a real estate broker. Mary, most people who invested in this property or invested in this area, this district, this apartment zone, they see significant returns within their first within their first 1 to 3 years, okay, owning this property. So don't worry, Mary. Trust me, you're making the right choice. Let's get you started right away. Yeah? That's it. Okay. Last one. Mary, most people that I talk to about this concept, they get so excited that they want to start immediately. So trust me, don't worry, Mary. You're making the right choice. Let's get you started right away, okay? See? So it's very easy to use most people in different situations, okay? And if you notice, after I say most people, I use that leading closing question. I say, so don't worry, trust me, you're making the right choice. Let's get you started right away, okay? Then you smile and you nod and you hold out your hand to close the deal. And you'll find that your prospect, right, 9 out of 10 times, maybe 10 out of 10 times, they'll be like, yeah, you're right. Because in their mind, most people have already done it. Most people have already used the product. Most people have already joined this opportunity and they're very happy. Most people already like this concept, like this idea. Okay? So that's most people. Smash the like button on this video below, right, to let me know that you like this little tip here. All right, so we have 2 more, guys. Number 1 is most people. Now number 2 is actually very close and related to most people, right? The word most people. Listen up, okay? So everybody says that starting a home-based business is the smartest choice in these times, okay? Everybody says that having a plan B as a backup is very important, just in case, right? And everybody says that investing in real estate is the best choice for long-term returns on your assets. Everybody says that the best cure for stress is to go on a vacation, right? Everybody says that wealth without health is pointless, right? So don't worry, trust me, you're making the right decision. Okay, you're making the right choice. Let's get you started right away. Okay? So did you catch the magic word? It's everybody says. Everybody says. Okay? So everybody says that the magic word everybody says works, right? Okay, so hope you caught it. Alright, if you like it, hit the like button in the video if you have not done so already. Okay? Now let's go on to magic word number 3. Okay? Everyone knows that the fastest way to success is to start your own business. Yeah? Everyone knows that a career in sales and marketing offers the best income in any job, right? And everyone knows, okay, that our company is one of the most reliable brands in the industry. So don't worry, trust me, let's get you started, okay? Everyone knows that our product has been tried, tested, and proven to work. So stop worrying, let's get you started. Everyone knows that owning a piece of property, a piece of real estate in this area is going to be the best investment of your life. So don't worry, you're making the right choice. Trust me. Let's get you started right away, Bob. Everybody knows that the word everyone knows or everybody knows is one of the most powerful selling words you can use to make your prospect say yes before you even close the deal. Alright? Okay. So did you catch the magic word? The magic word is everyone knows. Okay, everyone knows. Alright, so let's recap the 3 magic words that we learned today. Alright, most people who use our product, or most people who follow this system, is going to experience success within days. Using the magic word, most people. Okay, all right, so that's magic word number one. Everybody says that if you follow what Dennis Bay teaches in his Dennis Bayway video channel, you're gonna improve your sales and your marketing and your business and your results almost immediately. All right, everybody says. Okay, magic word number two. And magic word number three is everyone knows that if you click subscribe to Dennis Bayway's YouTube video channel, you are going to learn so many new things and new skills that's going to help you become a better salesperson, become a better leader, and become a better business owner and team manager in your business, job, or career. Everybody knows that. So don't worry, trust me, let's get you started right away. Click that subscribe button that you see below in red. Turn on your notifications so that you receive all my latest training videos in your phone, in your laptop, in your iPad or whatever, and you can watch my latest training videos every single week. Okay? Alright, so if you enjoyed this sales training video, please type in a comment below. Let me know that you enjoyed it. Let me know that what you learned today, the 3 magic selling words. All right, it's going to really help you in your career, in your business. All right, so thank you very much. Follow me on my social media. Download my free book and free training at dennisbay.com/6 secrets if you have not done so already. And I hope to see you at the top.